we just loaded the car with a stage 1 tune.
I got some money on the way.
Oh shit!
Unfortunately,
Put up a good fight, man. No cap.
Bro, I had to go catch this thing. You want to get a vet now, Noah?
we're gonna have to go stage 2 on these boys.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her.
Since the last time you saw the E90, we are back. We did get called out by a Corvette, a C6 Corvette. We will be racing later in this video. But as well, right now, we're about to go race a Q50, and we just loaded the car with a stage 1 tune from MHD with nothing done to the car, completely the same way as you saw it in the last video. We actually still don't have the intakes on the car. $1,000, don't play. $1,000, loading a tune up on it, that's maintenance. Comment below, do you think we'll beat the Q50? Intakes, downpipe, and a tune from Z1. Z1 Motorsports tune Q50 versus MHD stage tune 335i for $1,000 with nothing done to it, everyone. Comment below who you think is gonna win.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
We are back from last night. I don't know if that's going to be a whole separate video. Like I said, we do have some cars to race tonight. Mari C6 Corvette, we have called it out on a roll tonight. Headers only C6 LS2 manual versus stage 1 completely stock E90 335. Everyone comment below who you think is going to win. Man of the night.
Sorry, I gotta bless you like this, man. This is your introduction to the M54 community, though. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm big homie out here.
Okay.
Just, you know, I'm in the back. My 335 is undefeated. I'm just saying.
Everyone remembers Mario on the channel. This is his new car, everyone.
It's a new daily, man. It's a new daily.
Just a new daily. Comment who you think's gonna win. We're gonna go get some runs into Mexico right now. I'll see y'all when we get there. It's funny, this is the first time filling up the car because when I bought it, it had a full tank of gas in it. But we just put an E30 blend on the stage 1 in here, everyone. First time filling up the car. Like I was saying, we have Mari right here. We just got to Mexico, everyone. This Camaro right here too. And shout out my boy Curly. He's up here as well, man. Got his Audi up here. I don't know if he's gonna be getting some runs in, but we're all here together, man. Gonna see what this $1,000 BMW can do tonight, everyone. Will it be able to take on the V8s?
Round 1, fight!
1, 2, 3.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Oh shit! Damn!
fight. Final round. Fight.
Unfortunately, fuck this. We're ending the video right here.
You put up a good fight, man. No
Right,
cap.
bro. I had to go catch this nigga.
I said the first race.
I was like, hold on.
On the clips I got, bro, the first one, y'all both was like this. Then you just start like pulling one right there.
Yeah.
I said, y'all passed me? Y'all passed me? Y'all was like neck to neck.
But I'm not gonna lie though, them bitches was moving.
Nigga,
To
yeah.
be some stock cars, I'm not gonna lie, them bitches.
You can stop.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah, you stop?
Yeah.
Is he stock now?
No, just like those stock.
No, he stock.
No,
you stock?
I pump 93. That's all I'm gonna say.
Hey,
93, that's
I am stopped, but I can pop or
hey,
pump some E30.
Your car probably on 87, dude. What are you talking about? 93?
Right.
The M54 was not hungry enough for the LS tonight. It needs some more sauce.
Hey, good thing we make Mario want to sell his car though. That's a good thing.
I
He was
sell
so
that
on the
shit.
shoulder.
I would have waited about it either.
Man. I'm gonna end this vlog here, man. I'll see y'all later.
Your mom,
Yes, sir.
Or is it more fun racing slower cars than it is faster cars? Cause I swear that shit way more fun than my.
All
than
my
shit.
cars been slow, so I say slow. My Mustang is slow. My new car
Hey.
is slow.
How you feel about the LS tonight, man?
You wanna get a vet now, Noah?
No, we're gonna have to go stage 2 on these boys. That stock Cadillac converter holding me back.
The next day.
Shout out to Mari and Curly for coming out this video and giving me the gap that there's a reason for the bead locks. This car is going to be completely different the next time you see it on the channel. So make sure you subscribe, put on notifications to not miss anything on the journey with this N54, and leave a like and comment. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.